So now, we are going to launch again 2 books. So we are going to call again Father Dave Capupao and Father Rico Ponce for the unveiling and launch of the book Spirituality and Secularization Among Filipino Youth, a Theoretical and Empirical Study.
Well encouraged to buy the book. That's all I can say.
Yes.
It's a very timely book when we reflect on, on the youth of today. And it's a product of an empirical study and reflected theologically. So it's it's the maiden edition of what would be kind of a series of monographs as output of the Cestral seminars that we will be conducting later on. So Cestral stands for the Center of Empirical Studies on Spirituality, Religion, and Theology and Religion, Asia. And we will have another, can I advertise? We will have an international conference on October 12th on youth and spirituality. So in St. Vincent School of Theology from 8 to 5. So you are all invited. No? So, yan lang po. Salamat.
Okay. And here we unveil the book. Yes. Congratulations. FYI, launching price of the book is 150 pesos. The regular price, 200 pesos. So secure your copies now. Okay, we have a second book. And the book is called Spirituality in My Heart. And we have a video, courtesy of the author herself, Sister Flor Duran, Carmel.
Friends, I am very happy that we are gathered here for the annual event of the Institute of Spirituality of Asia, because part of it is my introduction about my book on the spirituality in my heart. And so I'm hoping that whatever content and experiences that I went through will always be part of where you will be in your journey to your own spirituality of your heart. So I am hoping that you will be able to get a copy or two and make it as part of your journey wherever you go and whatever you will do in your different ministries. So happy are we as we are all invited to be part of this event here in the next 3 days of the spirituality of Asia. And we hope that this will all enrich you. And I'm hoping also that I will be able to find myself in your heart wherever you will be and whatever you will be doing in the different ministries that you are in. Thank you very much and God bless.
Congratulations, Sister Flor. To help us unveil the book, may we call on Sister Mina Margaret Montegrejo, Carm OL, for the book reveal.
Yay!
Ayan. So, behold. So, launching price, 120 regular price 200. As what Sister Flor said, a copy or two. Yes. So thank you. Please secure your copies. Get your copies now. Habang mura pa. So thank you very much to our speakers today.